Hey guys, so in this tutorial, let's take a look at how to use the Webhook Node in Conferbot in detail. To start off with, let's collect a few details from the end user, for example, name and email. Let's connect them together. Now, okay, and your email. And let's keep the chatbot short. So let's just conclude by saying, okay, before that, okay, let's just say thank you. We'll get back to you soon. Okay, so before that, what we'll do is we'll connect the Webhook node. Let's say you want to send this data in the background to a server of yours. Let's say the name and email. It could be anything. Let's connect the Webhook node and click on it. Okay, so to start off with, to use the Webhook node, you need to authenticate yourself on your server. And to do that, you need to provide an API wherein it would accept. Okay, that's the API, an example API that I created. And the server is running on port 8001 on my local. It could be your API. So let me type that out. Localhost 8001/API/v1/gen token. Okay, so you need to send a username and a password. So username would be that. It's up to you how to authenticate yourself, and your response should be a key. You can see that the API hit it, and your response should be an access token key. So please make sure that you send that thing along with the token that would authenticate yourself on your server. So the subsequent requests to your server would be made using this access token, so that no other party could access your server. It's kind of like a secure way to hit the webhook. Now let us create a webhook URL. So webhook URL would be another endpoint, just like the access token or access token API. You create another API called as event reg webhook. Let me quickly type that out here. Okay, and it's going to be a post request because we set it to post. And you can add any kind of headers or other things that you want to customize the request with. And that's pretty much it. Now let us publish it. So you just need two APIs, one for generating the access token, the other one the actual webhook. So save it and publish it. So on the webhook, let us just console log or just print the request or the data that is coming from the chatbot. So that's what I've done. Let us start the chatbot. Let's collect the name. Let's call it Sam. Okay, and the email would be sam@test.com. And you see that immediately it would send that detail to your webhook. So this is pretty much how you use webhook in Conferbot to send data to yourself on your server. Thank you.